Welcome to Mad Me Codes, where tech meets business. AI is beating humans at so many levels right now. Coding, competitive programming, problem solving, and yeah, that can feel intimidating. But here's the thing, we still have an edge. The edge isn't in memorizing frameworks or trying to outcode AI. It's in understanding system, high-level concepts, and how everything connects. When you focus on the big picture, AI becomes your tool, not a competition. Build what you want to build. Be an indie hacker. Use AI to speed things up and spend your energy understanding the core system behind the tech. That mindset is what lets you create, innovate, and actually enjoy the process. And if you think AI is easy, fine, leverage it and earn more. Stop complaining about it. Try to tackle real challenges like GSOC, MLH hackathons, Bitcoin, bug bounties, or just earn money by making personal projects. When you start playing in the real world, be it open source or your own project ideas, you will discover where AI excels and where it falls short. My experience so far with AI includes it can write code, but it won't know what feature your product should have next. Even when writing some code, AI can't handle an entire organization of interconnected systems like Qflow, where I did my GSOC. Can't feed the whole code base, and even if you try to do so, there are so many concepts and repositories connected that AI can't fully understand the whole system. And when it tries to do so, it hallucinates and loses context. AI can solve standard problems, but it can't understand the context of a hackathon project or a startup idea that you may do. AI can't fully understand exact customer behavior or apply common sense when designing softwares. So yes, I still believe we as humans have a significant advantage over AI. We should use it as a tool while focusing on high-level system understanding. Also, I'm creating a course that will help you understand system-level thinking, how everything connects, so you can focus on building and truly understanding tech instead of just copying tutorials. In summary, focus on the concepts, focus on the system, create what excites you, and let AI do the heavy lifting where it should. That's the real edge. You were listening to Mad Me Codes. Thank you for your valuable time.